So today I'm back with another team rebuild. So I've decided that I am going to do the Texas Rangers, um, just because they are a team that has gone through and has just done a terrible job, has not done good at all over the season. Lately, these past couple seasons, they have not done good. So they are a team that would need a rebuild. So I'm here to give it to them and go from there. So let's get into it. I know the roster, a couple of them. Like Joey Gallo. I know Joey Gallo. Let's check out the starters. So we got Mike Minor. We got Drew. We got Lance Lynn, who's not that bad. He's all right. We got Shelby Miller, and we got Jason Hamill. Relief, we got Chris Martin, Sean Kelly, Matt Bush, um, Zach, and Jess, whatever. Closer, we got Jose. Catcher, Jetty, I guess. Ronald. Um, we got Ondor. We got Asdrubal Cabrera, who's now a thingy. We got shortstop Alvis Andres. Joey Gallo in left. Um, Chinshu Sochu. We got D Shields Jr. and we got Nomar. So, wait, let me see. Oh yeah, I know who he is. I know who that is now. Okay, so let's hop in. You guys know what up here are going to do. So we're gonna start off with our catchers. We always start off with our infield and outfield, and then we go on. So I do want to get a new catcher, just because this guy is 29 years old and is still an overall of 71. So that is not good. I'm gonna get rid of this guy too. He's at his age, and we're paying him 3.3 million. I'll keep him. He's young. He's still gonna develop. You are gonna have to go, because if you're a 29 and you're still at 71 overall, then I'm just feel sorry for you. So let me see. Austin Barnes. We're gonna go with not somebody that old, but we'll get somebody good. Yasmani Grandal would have been a nice addition, but they paid him way too much money. Are you pretty good? Oh, you're 38. You're way too at that age. Victor Contreras. Yeah, I had a feeling he is pretty good. He looks like he's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna do that trade for Victor Contreras. He's Puerto Rican, 6'1", 25 years old, 65 overall. I'll probably sign like one of those catchers in there. I might actually do it now. We'll sign. I guess we'll sign Evan Gaddis, since he's like the best one, basically. Okay, we'll pay him for 2 years, 8 million, so he'll be making 4 million every year. Yeah. Let's add him, because I don't know why they didn't have you add them automatically. I almost said automatically. Okay, so let's continue. So we got our catchers in roll. We got Victor and we got Evan Gaddis, a veteran, and then we got a youngster. So first baseman, Ronald. I might take you and get somebody else. Chris Davis, no, he's getting paid way too much when he's not that good. I would like Luke Voigt. He is pretty good. I think Greg Bird would be a nice addition. I guess we'll do that then. So we'll get Luke Voigt as our first baseman. B potential. Second base. Let's work on second baseman. I like Gleyber Torres for sure. DJ LeMahieu is pretty good. Tyler Wade is another good player. Dustin Pedroia is another good player. But I want to go with Jed Lowry. He'd be nice. Or Jeff McNeil. You know what? Let's go with Jeff. Mr. McNeil. We'll get you higher. Then our shortstop, which we're paying 15.0 million. I don't know why they're paying him so much. See who we could get. Trey Turner would be nice, honestly. JT Riddle's actually pretty good. Tim Beckham has done pretty good for the Mariners. Marvin Gonzalez would be nice. He would be a nice addition. I'll think about it. Let's keep looking. Tim Anderson? Not that much. Didi? I'd have to give him extension though, that's why. Escobar? No. Crawford? I would like Crawford. Yeah, I'm gonna do Crawford. Crawford is pretty good. Put him at short. Joey Gallo, I'm gonna keep Joey Gallo. He is pretty good. I'll probably take out my center field. Kevin Maben would be nice. Yeah, let's go for AJ Pollock. And Chris Taylor maybe, or I don't know, maybe a relief pitcher, like a Joe Kelly, yeah. Or a catcher, yeah. Alright, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'll do that trade, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta get Muncy. So we got AJ Pollock in center. Right field, I kind of have a picture of what I want, who I want in right field. I do need a starter. Let me see. Wow, they're paying that dude big money. Let's check out who else. Chris Archer maybe, and I would like Alex Wood and Sonny Gray. I'm gonna do it. Hunter, I'll trade you. I might trade him for like bullpen work or something. I don't know. Catcher, Jared. Let's see what the Phillies offer. Lucas Duda. I think I'm gonna keep him in that team. The Rex brothers. No. I think I'm gonna do that. That his Jer. Yeah, not getting paid that much, anyways. So let's fix this up. Let's get Keiko for like 2 years, and Gio for like another 2 years. And then let's bring them up here. And I think our rotation could be pretty good. What the heck? So if we could get you out of here, put you in, get you out of here, put you in. Where's Keiko? Where are they at? What the heck? I might have to trade some people to put them in the bullpen because we got so many relief. We got Chris Martin, who we're paying a lot of money to. Yeah, I'm gonna trade all of them. 5.7, see what the heck we could get out of it. Get something. Get some money. Adam Moore? No. B potential, I guess. We'll go for that. So let's go. Where are you at, Dallas? Where the heck are they at, man? Yeah. Okay, so we'll have Keiko as our starter. Alex Wood next, and then we'll start it like that. I like having Mr. Thingy. We do need a closer though. So let me trade our closer so we can get some money. Let's trade Jose and maybe get something out of the guy. Okay, and then let's sign Craig for 2 years. Let's sign AJ for 2 years as well. So he can help us out in the bullpen because his overall is pretty high. Help Joe Kelly out. Sign Craig. Oh my god, I have to release some player. Design for assignment, yes sir. Okay, there we go. So he got a pretty good thingy. Yeah, let me move you down. Let me raise your thing up a little bit. Just a little bit, so you can be higher. Now, I don't do this, I just breeze through as you guys can tell, so please don't say I'm cheating or whatever. So we got Cabrera, Crawford, left, center, right field. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Right fielder. We're going to sign Carlos Gonzalez for 2 years. Hopefully the money's right. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay, let's go. I think we should have a good lineup there. How's the money going? Oh shoot, we're at negatives. Let me see who are we paying that I could get rid of. There's some starters that I could get rid of. Am I using him anyways? Sonny Gray, Lance, Gio, Keiko, Wood. Yeah, I'm not using him, so let's get rid of him. Just get rid of him for like simple money. Mr. Mike. I just want him for money, man. Maybe we could get like a Jonathan Lucroy. Alright, I'll take that. Get him in the catching position as well. 3 catchers, not bad, not bad. We're still at the negatives? There's no way. Alright, there we go. Cash flow is better. So let's sim through the season. Let's already go. Before we do, let me stop there. I don't want the trades to be automatically. So they won their first game. Let's continue, come on. My favorite has been the Angels so far, man. That series was so great. I enjoyed it so much. It was really great. The Marlins too. I enjoyed doing the Marlins as well. That was a nice series. Those are my 2 top favorites so far. Out of the ones I've been doing, those are my top 2 favorite, the Marlins and the Angels rebuild. I'll let you guys know which next one are we gonna do, and then we'll go from there. Now, the way this works, if they don't go to the World Series, we don't keep advancing. If they do go, or not to the World Series, excuse me, the playoffs. Now, if they do go to the playoffs and they don't do good, we, continue on and do the, like sign some players and all that, and make the team better, and then go through 2020. So, they're not doing too good right now, from what I see. They're in 4th place.
It's Monday morning, and welcome to Inside the Show.
Behind
Starting
the
out west in
thingies.
the American League, the Rangers put together 10 total hits as they got the home victory against the Astros 4-2. Entering the day's action, the Rangers are in 4th place in the AL West, while the Astros are atop the division. The Seattle Mariners picked up 14 hits in total as they pulled off the win against the Angels in Orange County 6-3. At the start of the day, the Angels are in 2nd place in the AL
2
West,
years.
and the Mariners are 3rd in the division.
2 years.
The Oakland Athletics totaled 11 hits as they took down the
Dang,
Chi Sox
man,
in
you
front of a
offered
home
big
crowd,
money, brother.
7-4. Heading into the
2
day,
years.
the A's are in last place in the AL West,
2
while the
years.
White Sox sit in 2nd place in the AL Central Division.
Don't
The
care.
Dodgers only allowed 2 hits in the game as
2
they got the
years.
win, crushing the Red Sox 10-0. As of
2
right now,
years.
the Red Sox are leading the AL East, and the Dodgers sit in 2nd place in the National League West Division. The New York Yankees hit 3 long balls as they got the extra inning victory over the Blue Jays
Catchers.
6-4. Entering the day's action, the Yankees sit in 2nd place in the American League East Division, and the Blue Jays are
Okay,
4th
let's
in the
continue. Let's
division.
go. I did my thingies. Let's go. But yeah, that's how it works. If they advance to the playoffs and they, don't win, it's fine. But if they don't advance, then we just stop there. We stop there and we finish the video. That's how it works here. Oh my God, they're doing not good. Like, not good at all. Their record is terrible. They're catching up, but, like, they're still losing, sadly. Well, they're in 3rd place, so they could possibly count up and go to the wild card. If they go to the wild card, we do play the wild card, but if they don't, then we just, Okay, like you guys see, they weren't able to advance, so...
The final postseason teams are jockeying for position. Welcome to Inside the Show.
We're gonna do it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna be nice. The Rangers deserve, better. If it was like a good team, then, screw them. But...
Hi there, everyone. Welcome to this special postseason edition of Inside the Show. For Game 6 of the World Series,
okay,
the
let's
Colorado
send through.
Rockies
Let's see who
took
the
down
heck
the
could
Chi
we
Sox in
sign.
front of a home crowd, clinching the World Series championship. It has been a storybook season for them, and they will look to repeat as champions next year.
I would love to sign Sale, of course. Offer him big money. Bumgarner, player, you would be my ace too. Um, I guess the more years you give them, the more interested they are. Let's offer you that much. You should take that. It's a lot. Yasmani, you the same way? I don't want to offer big contracts though. I don't think he's interested. Contender. We are contenders. Okay, so I'm offering 7. Batanzas would be a nice addition. Let's offer him 7 years. Yasiel Puig, he would be a nice addition. Let's offer you 5 and see what you say. And then let's continue on. Oh man, to the Angels, Brody. What happened to my contract? Okay, so it looks like my contract is still not in business. So they're offering 7 years. That's a record there. Look at that. That's a big record, buddy. Okay, so let me withdraw because it looks like he's interested in 7 years. Offer him that, player, ace. Yeah, if we could get him. So I believe he's probably interested most in those teams. Come on, man. Don't do this to me. Come on. Oh, Yasmani, buddy. Come on. Okay, so I guess Sale got signed. Who signed Sale? Oh, the Cubs? Dang, that's the Cubs? That's so strange. It just doesn't feel right. Yasiel Puig, come on, buddy. Julio Teheran, I guess. Offer you that. You would be a nice addition to the bullpen, so offer you 7 years. Closer, I'll see. Didn't I sign him? He'll probably sign to me because close to home and everything, from what I see. Ooh, yeah, let's sign Russell Martin, my buddy. 5 years. First baseman's. Who's my first base? Second base. Third base. Shortstop. I need a good shortstop. Left fielders. I'd like Matt Kemp. Let's see if we could get him for like 4 years. Center field. I want Yasiel Puig. He's the one that's my favorite. Out of all of them, he's the one that I want the most. My outfield. Let me take a look at the outfield. Yeah, I would really need him. So I signed Julio Teheran, Matt Kemp, Jake. Okay, let's continue. Starters, I don't need a starter really. Closer, no. Catchers. Okay, yeah, so let's withdraw. Make another offer. I need him. If you want to come to my team, if you need somebody to come to your team, you really need to offer. I want Juan Lagares. Let's offer you 3 years. See if you want that. That's weird. Yes. Free agents. Why the heck? Catchers. Offer him a year. I still want Yasiel Puig. Um, Yasiel, come on, don't be a pain in the dang butt. Okay, so I guess he signed somewhere. Dang it, man. He didn't sign with us. Where he signed? Yasiel Puig, where you go? Has he not signed yet or what? I might just get out of here, you guys. It's not that interesting. Lagares, come on, man. 1 year. Don't be that guy. I want to know where he went. That's something I'm interested in. Who got Yasiel Puig, ladies and gentlemen? Come on. Who got him? Oh, the Athletics. Is that he looked like he was interested in the Athletics? Out of all the teams, he looked like he was interested in that one. How did you do last season? Depends how you did. So you hit 40 home runs. Well, you hit 31. Okay. You might have to just stay because you done pretty good. Joe Kelly. Okay, it looks like they really want Joe Kelly. I'll do that. I'll do that, Athletics. I'll do that. Okay, so we got a good outfield now. Kemp, you're only an outfielder. Alright. Okay, let's sim through the season and see how they do now. View their offer. Alright, I'll give you that, Mets. You guys are my team anyway, so I'll give you that. Advance to the off season. So let me see who's in free agency. Curtis Granderson's in free agency. Todd Frazier, not surprised. Russell Martin, yo. I told you needed to come to our team and you didn't listen. Yeah, let me get rid of you, buddy, because I think we gotta get enough bullpen. Oh, I have to release them to free agency. Who should I do? Who should I? Oh, we signed Julio Teheran? Now with that one, I'm surprised because Julio Teheran. I don't even know I offered him a contract. Anyways. Ryan Madison is still in there for some money? God, Lord. Let's go. Oh, shoot. They don't look too good against that. Okay, I'm only doing this, you guys, because I've said the Rangers deserve more, but this is not going to be happening like that. I'm only did this because, you know, the Rangers. But, they're doing alright. Once again, they're not doing like they did. If they do bad again, then we're out. Just know that we're out. Well, anyways, we'd be down. So, sim through draft day. Simulate draft. You guys already know. Come on. You know the drill. But like I was gonna say, the next I already have in mind who's gonna be the next team we rebuild. I'll give you guys a hint. I think they're in the same division. Yeah, they are. Dang, the Angels are on top. Or whatever team it was. Who do we need to give a contract? Oh, no. Okay. Okay, so we need to get Craig a contract.
Beginning of the work week, and welcome to Inside the Show. Starting in the AL West, the Texas Rangers tossed a combined one-hitter as they bested the Mariners in Safeco Field 2-0. As of today, the Mariners sit in last place in the American League West Division, while the Rangers are fourth in the division.
Yeah, let's give
the Los Angeles
another
Angels
one.
of Anaheim launched 3 home runs as they grabbed the win over the visiting Twins 16-15. In the standings, the Angels are in first place in the AL West, and the Twins are in third place in the AL Central. Matt Olson blasted 2 home runs and picked up 3 RBIs in the process as the Athletics defeated the Astros 5-4.
Okay, let's go.
Heading into the day, the Astros...
Don't care. Let's go, let's go. We need to do better because our thing is not going good. Alright, that's not bad. Come on. I don't think the Rangers are going to do good, to be honest. The way I see everything, they're just not going to do good. I already can see it. The record is just not good. So, I don't know. Okay, I actually thought about the team we're going to do. Actually, it's not going to be in our thingy. They're not in our division. I know what team it is. It's a team that really needed a rebuild. They're so good, but they choke. I'm not going to give that much of a hint. So, did they advance? Nope. Well, let me just wrap it up here. Screw it. Let me stop here. Hope you guys enjoyed this probably long video. As always, if you're new, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.